Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Updater, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive news and reviews. Today, we're diving into something that's sure to turn heads at the 2025 Ford 100 pickup. It's a truck that's been highly anticipated, and it doesn't disappoint. Let's break it down. The 2025 Ford 100 pickup is all about versatility and modern utility, making it the ideal companion for both work and play. This new model combines classic Ford strength with updated tech and sleek styling. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or cruising around town, this truck promises a solid experience. Under the hood, it offers a range of powerful engine options, including hybrid and fully electric variants, catering to both performance enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers. Now let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Ford 100 has a bold, aggressive presence on the road. The front grille is wide and imposing, with sharp LED headlights that give the truck an unmistakable look. The muscular stance, paired with sleek lines, ensures this truck doesn't just blend in. The body is built tough with high-strength steel, and the truck comes in a variety of colors, from more traditional choices to some exciting, vibrant hues that will make you stand out on the road. The wheel design is aggressive yet refined, giving the truck a modern edge while still keeping that rugged appeal Ford is known for. Overall, this truck is built to make a statement. Step inside, and the interior of the 2025 Ford 100 is equally impressive. The cabin is spacious, with premium materials used throughout. The seats are designed for both comfort and durability, making long drives or off-road adventures feel less taxing. The dashboard features a high-tech layout, with a large touchscreen that offers easy access to the latest infotainment system. Ford's Sync 4 system integrates seamlessly with both Android and Apple devices, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. The controls are intuitive, and everything feels well within reach. Whether you're in the driver's seat or the passenger seat, the interior is designed to keep you comfortable and in control. When it comes to comfort level, this truck excels. It's clear that Ford put a lot of thought into making sure that comfort isn't sacrificed for toughness. The suspension system is smooth enough to tackle bumps and rough terrain, and the cabin remains relatively quiet even at higher speeds. The leather-trimmed seating feels luxurious, and the adjustable settings let you find the perfect driving position with ease. Whether you're heading off on a weekend adventure or commuting to work, the 2025 Ford 100 makes sure